Hi, I'm Mike Napick. Today we're going to talk about It's Personal. What does It's Personal mean to our associates? It means that every day when our associates come in, it's the pride they put in their work. It's what we try to do for both our external customers and our internal customers. It's Personal is the difference that Yaskawa makes in the marketplace between us and our competitors. Let's hear from our associates what It's Personal means to them.
My relationship with my customers is very personal and very rewarding. I've built trust with them, and that created a very personal relationship with them.
Coming to work every day and taking it very personally is very important for us. It's not something that we can think about and leave for another day. It has to be done day by day, every day.
It's more than just going the extra mile. I feel you're passionate about going the extra 2 miles if you have to make sure that customer has this order when he needs it.
When I walk in the door, the very first time you get on the phone, you know it's going to be a personal experience with your customer, and you want to make sure that that customer experience is the ideal experience for them.
It's Personal means that I am committed to my work. I'm committed to providing quality work to my customers and making sure that they're satisfied so that they can in turn satisfy their customers.
The reality is our product is more flexible because we listen to our customers. It has a higher range of capability because we listen to our customers. And we can do a lot more things quickly than the other guys can because we listen to our customers.
Other companies I've worked for put a system in place and try to make the customers adapt to the system. Yaskawa puts the customer first and works back from there to create their process.
In a figurative way, everybody's name that works throughout the company goes onto the product. So it really doesn't matter if it's a person assembling the product or the person processing the invoice. We all have a direct impact on the total customer satisfaction. So we take great pride that that product that the customer is purchasing, in a sense, has our name imprinted on it.
At Yaskawa, I work with a lot of very bright people, people that are very quality-minded, continuous improvement-minded, and that's had a really positive impact on me, just in general, just being inspired by that level of energy, enthusiasm, and knowledge. It really kind of helps me do better and helps me improve myself as well.
When I find that I've done something that helps somebody immensely and I get feedback, I get positive feedback from them, I take a lot of pride in that. It makes me feel really good. It makes me feel motivated to do the very best I can.
One of the professions that has inspired me greatly is the medical profession. Doctors and nurses take care of their patients. They provide care in a very personal manner. In the same way, I strive to provide very personal support and personal care to the customers and to the channel partners who call into Yaskawa.
Those are my products going out the door, and everybody in the building feels the same way. We take a lot of personal pride in what we do.
The personal relationships that I've established here, the work that we do, I want to feel something. I want to feel a connection. I want this to be fulfilling and rewarding work. I don't want to just be on autopilot all day. It's personal.
This is your legacy. What you do reflects on you.